Meaning of deserter.
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 Deserter. A deserter is someone who abandons their duty or obligation, especially a member of the military who leaves without permission. This act is considered to be a serious offense and can result in punishment such as imprisonment or dishonorable discharge from the military. A deserter may face consequences such as loss of rank, pay, and benefits. Additionally, being labeled a deserter can have long-lasting social and legal implications, including difficulty finding employment or obtaining security clearance in the future.